What's the meaning of ambulance? Ambulance. 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 Ambulance.
An ambulance is a specialized vehicle used to transport sick or injured people, often in emergency situations. It is equipped with medical equipment and staffed by trained healthcare professionals who can provide immediate care to the patient en route to the hospital. The ambulance is an important component of modern emergency medical services, helping to ensure that patients receive timely and appropriate care no matter where they are located. Ambulances may be operated by hospitals or healthcare organizations, or they may be privately owned companies that contract with local governments to provide emergency medical transport services.